Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add story highlights on Facebook. Maybe you want to add story highlights on your Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add your story highlights on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this home page. What you need to do is go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon. Once you are in your profile page, you will see in here your name and you will also see here the add story. You can scroll down and you will see in here are the story highlights. Simply tap on this plus button to create new story highlights. In here, add the featured. After that, tap on the next button and then tap on the save button. You can also click here the title. After that, you will see in here your new story highlights or your featured on Facebook. There you go! If you wanted to know on how to add story highlights or featured posts on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add feature on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.